Now, in the book 28 Business Thinkers, there are 5, this is where we link to the 5 Tantra books. There are 5 key thoughts or key ideas or key strategies to take away. The firstly is you should never, ever stop being a startup. This underlines the necessity of the organization to be agile, to think on its feet, to stay lean, and yet at the same time, even though by staying lean that implies diminished resources, at the same time to be effective. The ability to iterate and move on. So, never stop being a startup, never stop competing. You've got to be agile. Think on your feet. Now, that's only the first thought. What I would like you to do, and it's something we all have in common and we've all got an interest in, we all know something about, have a look at the Udemy model. You can go to numerous sites and find out. We're not talking about profits and revenue, we're talking about strategy. I probably won't comment because you may think that I have some sort of extra special insight into how Udemy works. No, I don't. But anyway, I'd like you to look at how Udemy stays ahead of its competitors, if indeed it does, and how it competes, how it innovates, how it changes, and put your thoughts in the QA for this lecture. You're probably familiar with marketing, the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying consumers' needs and wants profitably. So would you say that the needs of the market, the education market, the online market have changed? And how does Udemy satisfy or attempt to satisfy these needs? You're faced with a 90-hour course or a 1-hour course. Which one do you enroll on? Remember, you have lifetime access. Or are there other things to take into account? Maybe you just want something concise, maybe you want something developed, but lifetime access, why would you want something just concise? These are just thoughts I throw in. Anyway, that's the first thing from the book 28 Business Thinkers.